2017 Ford Escape 1.5 turbo. This is the one that I diagnosed with the bad engine. They had the engine replaced. I have to try to find a fuel smell. The shop cannot find anything, and I don't know what they've replaced as far as trying to tackle that problem. Visually, this looks like a very nice job that they did, actually. Kind of not used to seeing engines look like this, where you know, things are actually put back the way they're supposed to be. I don't know what all that is. I don't see any dirt around any of the fuel connections. Maybe I can see the injectors. I think she complains that she can smell a little bit of fuel when she turns the vents on. I don't smell anything yet. I haven't started it or done anything yet. I'm still just doing my visual. This engine's probably been in the car, I'd say 2 months or something like that, a month or two. I know there's some TSBs concerning the PCV system on these. That's kind of where I'm going to be heading, looking at the PCV system on this, which is like, it's like a whole freaking miles of hose and stuff. It goes all around, and supposedly it's all one unit, so you have to, you can't just replace, you know, one part. Smells like oil. My scan, and that's an unusual sight, all green. One thing I noticed here, I might have to pull this plastic off because it's hard to see anymore with this, but I wanted to look at the injectors. I still haven't started it yet. Let me get this thing here. I'm going down here to look at the injectors, and you can see, I don't know if that's fuel or not. This could all just be oil or something like that. See, this one looks pretty good. Looks pretty dry. That's that one. Let's go back to this one. You can see it's got, come on, it looks kind of suspect. This is number 1 here, number 2 here. Yeah. Number 2, that's a nice side shot of it. Number 2. That's number 2. Maybe I should get it in frame. And we'll go into number 3. The top looks okay, but that to me is a red flag. I want to start it up. I doubt that I'm going to see an actual leak, but let's give it a go. Runs considerably better than the last time I seen it. That would be awesome if I can actually see this thing drip. I want to pause it and try to see if I can get it to stay in there. I think I saw it. Thought I saw like a little bubble there. Now I got to try to find it again. I do smell it a little bit. Yeah, if you look all the way down, you see it? It bubbles up every little bit right there. Bubble. That's it. That's it. All right. My work is done.